Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to check Walmart Visa gift card balance. So all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open any browser and you need to type like Walmart Visa gift card balance, and once you get the result you need to click on first one result. And once you are on this page, and you need to enter your card number, and you need to enter your security code, and you need to enter your card expiry date, and you can say year. Okay, and once you fill the details you need to click on check balance, and that's it. By using this method you can easily check your Walmart Visa gift card balance. Okay, so there is one more method by which you can check your balance, that is via calling method. As you can see over here, this is the number, like this one, 18666339096. Okay, so this is the number. You can also call on this number, and once you get connected you need to follow the prompts, or once you get connected you need to tell them that you want to check your gift card balance, and that's it. They will tell your gift card balance. They will ask some detail and they can check your balance very easily. So these two methods you can use for your gift card balance. So hope you are getting my points. If yes, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.